Welcome, Shopify entrepreneurs. Today, we're about to revolutionize your online store's user experience. In this guide, we'll show you how to seamlessly integrate essential apps that will not only enhance functionality but also delight your visitors, ultimately boosting conversions and customer retention. Let's dive in. Step 1. Installing essential apps. 1.1. Accessing the Shopify App Store. First things first, head to your Shopify dashboard and click on Apps in the left-hand menu. From there, tap Visit the Shopify App Store to unlock a world of potential. 1.2. Searching for essential apps. Now, let's get the essentials. Search for these game changers: sticky add to cart, discount by quantity break, and frequently bought together. 1.3. Installing the apps. With your picks in place, just click on each app, then Add App. You're on your way to a seamless shopping experience. Step 2. Setting up essential apps. 2.1. Configuring sticky add to cart. Time to fine-tune. Open sticky add to cart and follow the prompts to customize button appearance, behavior, and position. 2.2. Customizing discount by quantity break. Now, let's empower your customers. Configure quantity-based discounts for your products. Define the tiers and savings for various quantities. 2.3. Implementing frequently bought together. Up next, seamless bundles. Configure the app to suggest complementary products or bundles. Make sure it fits your store's look and feel. Step 3. Testing essential app functionality. 3.1. Sticky add to cart test. Let's put it to the test. Go to a product page and see if that add to cart button stays within reach, even as you scroll. 3.2. Discount by quantity break test. Time for some savings validation. Add different quantities to your cart and see those discounts kick in. 3.3. Frequently bought together test. Last but not least, let's see those bundles shine. Check out product pages and see if those suggestions align with your customers' preferences. Step 4. Monitoring essential app performance. 4.1. Analyzing conversion rates. Now, let's measure the impact. Dive into Shopify's analytics and track changes in conversion rates after integrating these apps. 4.2. Gathering customer feedback. Your customers are your compass. Encourage them to share their experience, paying close attention to how these apps enhance their shopping journey. 4.3. Making iterative adjustments. Stay nimble. Based on performance data and customer feedback, fine-tune app settings or consider additional apps to further elevate user experience. Congratulations! You've seamlessly integrated essential apps, elevating your user experience to new heights. Remember, regular monitoring and feedback are the keys to continued success. A seamless and engaging shopping experience is your path to driving conversions and fostering customer loyalty. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips from eBoxman. For any questions or further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy selling!